Did I just cook myself? No, I don't think I did. This should be streaming. I should be live. Theoretically, I should be live. Okay, as you whoa, that's loud. As you can see, you could. Oh, okay, I am live. Holy. Oh, damn. Okay. Wait, let me just double check. Okay, cool. So, we're working on Trijam, 3-hour game jam, starting now, basically. I already have the idea down, so let's do this. Trijam, game jam. Create. I don't know how many people are gonna view live, so I may not focus on chat because I really want to get this done. Okay, so 3 hours, let's go. What was my game idea? My game idea was, I literally just bought Balatro today, and I'm like, oh my god, this is the best game ever. So what I'm planning to do is to make something like Balatro, but the theme is, the theme is here. Is there anything bad here? No, I'm not bad, but privacy-wise, I should be fine. My research is there, who cares? Yeah, sorry, what do you call it? The thingamajigger. Where's the theme? I swear to god the theme was here. Theme. Where's the theme? Hello? Okay, I'll just go to the jam page then, because I know it already started, but the best part about this is that you don't actually care if it started, because you only have 3 hours regardless. Oh yeah, 3-hour game jam. The theme is decommission tech, right? Decommission tech. So the idea here is I wanted to make a game. Project settings, window. I want it to be really aesthetic. So let's go 512 by 512. I've never made a 512 by 512 game before. Just for testing purposes, I'm going to make the screen size 1000. That should work on my computer. Let's make this main game world. Source, game world, source, game world. Okay, folder assets. I don't even know what the asset rules are. I just wanted to do a really quick game jam. Problem, just make right to use them. Okay, cool. Does this run even? Yeah, this runs perfectly fine. The idea is I wanted to have a game where some piece of tech comes in, like a grid comes in. So I need a grid. I need the tech block. Game world, tech block. So what happens is a tech block comes in. Tech block is comprised of a grid map. Tile map. The idea is in this tile map, you're going to have, like, it's basically a game. Oh my god, how can I explain this super quickly? I do need my Kenny 1-bit. Where's my 1-bit at? 1-bit pack. Old downloads. Tile sheet. Yes, I do need you. Come here. Come on. Oh, it already opened. I was waiting for nothing. Okay, project settings. Oh my gosh, this would have been so much better if I actually freaking knew what I was doing. Formats, not formats, it's textures, nearest. Okay, cool. Tile map, tile set. Hold up. 512 divided by 32, 16 by 16 is solid. I love that. 32 by 32, 32 by 32. Okay, amazing. Okay, tile set, asset, drag, drop. Yes, please. Basically, where the hell is it? There's a tile in here that I love. This one. The idea here is, if I go to tile map real quick, grab this. You're gonna have a piece of tech come in, right? It'll have. Oh, do I want to do it that way? Oh, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I do want to do it this way. Okay, so the idea is, you will have a piece of tech come in, and it will have like a bunch of blank squares. Okay, cool. It'll be boxy in shape, boxy in nature, something like this. A lot of the spaces will be blank. There will be wall tiles on the outside, so you know what is and isn't mineable. So, for example, this boxy tech piece would look like a bit like this. Okay. There's going to be a goal target or a start target, and then there's going to be an end target somewhere. Okay. Your job is to connect the target instantly, like as quickly as you can. And you can do that through multiple ways. by placing down, you know, wires. So 1, 2, and now at that point this would be connected, because I really don't know why I don't have G-Ink in here anymore, but yeah, I don't know. But the idea is, I can't even draw on my screen. This is pissing me off. The idea is like this would be connected by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that would be your score. 10. Now the thing is, wait, pause. I need the cord open on the side. Okay, cool. Okay. OBS. Okay, cord open. Okay, cool. Now I can continue. The only issue is, I wanted it. Do I want it to be like a reaction game, or do I want it to be like a Balatro type game? Because the idea is, I wanted to have it such that, you know, I'll go with a reaction time game. Like, you'll have a certain amount of time to fix the decommissioned tech before you're screwed. That's the idea. Now I just have to generate tech block. Tech block has to be able to generate a tech block. Oh my god, how do I do that? Well, it would be easy to understand. It's easy to understand that because the idea here is, shit. The idea here is, wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it was. Let me also just post this over here. Wait, copy video URL. Okay, the idea is, I want a algorithm to somehow generate me block. No, that's complex. I know I can do square. I can do another square, and I can fill them in, and I know I can get the outline. Yeah, I can do square. I can do square, and okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, I think I can do this. Okay. And what's the most I want to go down? Most I want to go down is maybe. No, I can use the entire screen. Who cares? Okay. So, const height equals height is 10, and then let's do const width. What is the width? 15. 15. Okay. So the idea here is I want it to be like function underscore ready, generate a random excuse me tech block. Okay, once we've generated, okay, so how do you generate a random tech block? Well, you need to first fill in walls. Okay, fill in walls is not hard. Oh my gosh, how much time have I spent? 8 minutes? Oh, no, I haven't spent 8 minutes. How long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for 8 minutes. Okay. I want to do 4. What the hell? Why are you having a problem with me? Oh, I have to change your type to tile map layer. Are you kidding me? Okay, thank God the tile set stayed the same. Okay, so 4, y in height 4, x in width, come on buddy, set cell, I'll do the set cell function myself, function set cell, what the hell does it have to take in? I forget, I'm gonna do tile map dot set cell, or I guess I'll do map. I'll do tmap, onReady var, tmap, so x chords, x int, y int, oh, I guess pause. No, I'll pass in x and y because a lot of my shit is x and y. Var p equals vector2i, x and y. P chords, and then set cell to type of cell, int var type of cell, enum cell type, I guess, I don't know, like type, block type, no, cell type. It's enum. It's going to be blank. It can be blank. It can be block. Okay, it can be blank, block, or what? What else can it be? Blank, block, what else can it be? Blank, block. Blank, block. I'll just go with these two at the moment. Okay, so fill in walls. Oh, wall. Oops. Wall. Okay, and then I need to make a function called, get out of here. I need to make a function called func underscore get. God damn it, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? What do I need to do? I need to make it so that func get cell type. From string, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, I'll do it from string because I don't really care. That's not the best. String void return s string. Okay, so you return an int, so it's match s to, I don't know, like blank. No, that's stupid. That's stupid. That's stupid. Type of cell, yeah. And then, oh, it has to match cell to type of chords. Oh, oops. Get cell chords from type, and this is going to be type of cell int, and it returns a vector to I because that's what the tile map layer takes in. So type of cell, and if your type of cell is any one of these guys, okay. If type of cell is any one of these guys, what do I do? Vector to I dot 0. Oh yeah, I have to return vector to the I. Okay, so this is where I just straight up choose. Blank cells are gonna be. Are you kidding me? Godot, what the hell's wrong with you? You know blank cell counts too, right? Okay. 0, 0. Okay, so return vector to I 0, 0. Okay, and then another one's gonna be return. What do you call it? 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 It's going to be returning. Oh, so block is going to be, let's go 3914, 3914, 3914. And another one is going to be, not 3914, it's going to be a wall tile. I don't know where the solid wall tiles are in this, but that's looking really tempting. Excuse me while I take a little bit of a sip. 4811, 4811. Okay. Oops. Cell type. Cell type dot blank dot block dot wall. Okay, that makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. Okay, that makes sense to me. Now, from type of cell, but basically source ID. Yo, there's only one source ID. It's 0 if I remember correctly. Should be 0. Should be 0. Should be 0. Yeah, source is 0. Boop. And then get Atlas chords is going to be get cell chords from type of cell. Alternative tile, I don't need to set. What is wrong with you? Oh, type of cell. Okay, set cell. Okay, so set cell to X, Y, and then, yeah, X, Y, and then type of cell I want you to set. So cell type dot wall. Yes, I want you to do wall. And then game world, you are going to have a tech block in you, and yep, perfect. Although ish is small as hell. What? Oh, because is your thing set to small? No, your shit's what? Oh, I think it might be something to do with window stretch. It should be canvas item, I believe, and keep. Oops, I spammed that. Okay, yeah, perfect. Perfection. Why didn't it go all the way? Oh, 10, 15. Okay, yeah. It has to, okay, -1. Okay, got it. So, okay, we have that down. Now I have to carve out blocks. So, I guess I just have to freaking carve out. Okay, I kind of want it to be like a margin type thing. So, width could be, width should be, could be, should be, width should be. Let's go. If this is, god damn it. Let's just use, I don't know, triangles. So this is 0, this is 16 or 15. This is the middle, kinda, not really. 16. Okay, so this is 16. This is -1. This is 0. Okay, so this is 8. If this is 8, this is 15. Okay, so that's like the center-ish, kinda. Okay, so 8 is the center for sure. That means I have to offset it by 2. Hello. I have to, okay. Width has to be like, let's go 14 and then +1 over here. So x +1. Yeah, that makes sense to me. And then height would be, I don't even know what height would be. What would height be? Yeah, that makes sense to me. And then height would be, let's go just nudge it down by 3 blocks. Okay, that's way too much. Let's nudge it down by 2 blocks. Okay, so this is like the block, or I guess the tech block. This is the tech block. Okay, amazing. Let's actually nudge it up by 1. Oops, I'm so picky with this. Okay, perfect. So this is where the main game is going to be happening, and your job is to just find the quickest path as possible. Now what I want to do is I need to, after fill in walls, and by the way, height and width would be randomized for rand height, what would rand height be? It would be a random int range between half the height divided by 2 with height. And then same thing for rand width. Hello, width rand width. Okay, and then I just want you to loop over that stuff instead. Perfect. Okay, so now it will give me random boxes. Okay, cool. So that makes the game a lot more random. Oh, damn it. Okay, whatever, I don't care. Okay, so fill in walls. Now I have to like carve out box. And carve out box is going to be a little tricky, but it will be fine because carve out box is going to say loop over the gotten cells and basically give me a box. That shouldn't be too hard. Let me get a sip of coffee. Okay, shouldn't be too hard. Carve out box. How do I carve a box? Okay, I gets the gotten cells. Okay, so tile map layer cells, gotten cells. What are the gotten cells? Map to local, map pattern, update internals. Why are you so high up? Bit cells. Get. I know there's a get use cells. Okay, get use cells. The positions of all cells containing a tile. A cell is considered empty if it's okay. So get use cells. Okay. Var use cells is going to be equal to tmap.get use cells. Not that hard. And then we're going to do. Come on, I can do this myself. I don't need no ChatGPT. Although I'm very tempted to use it right now. I can do. What can I do? I can do 4. Oh, this is disgusting. I actually have to use my brain. No, I can do it. It just takes me a sec to think about it. I need a box. I need an outline. That means I have to count the number of cells around. Get neighbors basically. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna default because I need speed. The car box that finds neighbors. In that function, and then after getting that neighbors function, then I need to take the gotten cells so far, and I need to take the okay. After I've gotten the gotten cells, I need to find and set cell to block for the internals. Okay, that should make sense. Okay, this is kind of what I was talking about. I hate doing all the itty bitty gritty stuff about tile map stuff. What the hell? I was set cell gun. Oops. I was kind of like, what the hell? Okay. All cells. It's the array of vector 2 eyes, buddy. Of wall cells. That is empty. Okay. Oh, get cell. For in cells. Get cell. Atlas cards. No, get cell. Okay, what the? Okay, for cell and use cells. Vartile is get cell atlas cards. And this is the cell pause. Okay, so okay, cell pause. Yep. If tile is equal to, if the tile is equal to, god damn it, vector 2i. What is it? Vector. Oh yeah, that actually makes sense. Wow, you actually understood it. Dot x. If tile, yeah. Okay, wall cells dot append. Okay. What? Oh, wall cells. Oh yeah, wall cells dot append. Wall cells, and then determine. Oh, the bounding box. The issue is it's not a box, but whatever. Yeah. Would that work for? Yeah, I would prefer it did by neighbors. Neighbors, so that I can have regular shaped boxes. Oh my god, I forgot stream music. I don't really care. Because this is going to be a super short stream. Also, if more people tune in, then I would probably do it. Oh, what the hell is happening? Okay, you know what? For the sake of simplicity, let's just assume, a simple ad box. Simple ad box, okay. Debug helper. This is going to be my little thing. One sec. Why are you down? Okay, no, okay. Debug helper, tech block. I don't know. I'll just keep it at source scripts. Extra scripts, I guess. Extra scripts. Delete. God damn it. Okay. Extra scripts. Debug helper. What the hell? Put event that is action pressed. I don't know, UI down. That doesn't end anything. No. Get tree dot reload currency, and at that point randomize to. Okay. Hello. Oh, UI down. Okay. So this is the majority of it, but you know that's fine. I don't really care. I just want a simple game. Okay. Now what do I want to do? I want to carve a box. I did. I want to rough up box or not? Give box holes. Give box holes. Fill in walls. Carve out box. Give box holes. And then what's that going to do? It's going to do four. It's kind of similar to carve out. Okay. I really like how this was done. Get you cells. Okay, get you cells, right? So now I'm looking for block cells. block cells. Ew, I can't believe I just typed in snake case. Block cells. Okay, I'm looking for block cells. For cell pause in block cells. Cell pause, if it's equal to block, also block cells dot append cell pause. If that is empty, return. But if it's not, then for block cell in block cells, set cell block cell dot x block cell dot y get cell, no, it's yeah, get cell chords from type, and then it would be cell type dot blank, just so we can continue to have a star. Is that what I want? What? But it's vector to I. Expects int. Argument 3 should be int. Oops. I was like, I'm doing it right. Now, why are you not working? Because you clearly set stuff to block. Oh, I never called a function. Oh, I do. Give box holes. Print. Boxing up the holes. And then this is going to be making the box. Making the box. Boxing up the holes. And yeah, I know the first one works. Making a box, boxing up the holes. Wait, did it just work? Okay, nope. Definitely boxing up the holes, but oh. No, that makes sense. Yeah. There's no way block cells is empty though. That's crazy. What? Tmap dot update internals, I guess. What the hell? I find that impossible. How are you messing with me right now? Block cells. Oh shit. Look at that. Use cells is meant to be there, Ryan. Are you kidding me? Yep, okay. Now if it's if randf is less than 0.5, then oops. Then you know, get rid of some. Okay, so now if the sip now you have the ability to place thingamajiggers wherever you want. Okay. Perfect. I do need a mouse pointer. I guess I would call this block point. No, tech block pointer. Pointer. Okay. Tech block pointer. Tech block pointer. And what tech block pointer is going to do is it will look like this. Oops. Grid snap. It will look like this, or it could look like this. So at the moment, that's all I want, one or the other, and yeah, that's about it. Transform 0. Okay. This is can place, and then this is no place. Okay. Tech block pointer. Oh my gosh, how do I detect if you're in a new cell? Oh, I know. Alright, so I also need a global for script. Source, auto loads, global. Oh my god, this is really tiring already. Alright, I guess I'm using my brain at like 100% capacity. I'll just do a global object because it's not that serious. Var tech block pointer is going to be a tech block pointer. Zoom in, class name, tech block pointer, cool. And then I'm going to do var tech block is going to be equal to tech block. Okie dokie. Okay. Global dot tech block equals self, and you are also going to be class name. It is going to be tech block. I don't like how it's tech block and tech block pointer, but honestly, it's not that serious. Globals, source, autoloads, global, add, close. Give me this link, copy link. Oh. Okay. Tech block self. Why? Oh, I see the issue. Global is having an issue here. Tech block. Okay, cool. Yes, I don't like this, but it will work. Tech block pointer. Okay. So, function underscore ready. I need you to, not in ready. I need you to always. So function physics process. I basically need you to always ask global dot tech block dot. I need you to. I'll just make a function here saying func world global pause to map pause, and then this is going to pass in a global pause. It's going to be a vector 2, and then I'm basically going to ask the tile map dot convert. No, it's called, what is it called? It's called world. No, it's called pause map. It's called map. No, it's called local to map. Is there global to map? Global to map. Nope, local to map. It's fine. It's the same thing. The global position, even though it asks for local position, but who cares? Global position, and then basically return a vector 2i from what I understand. Local to map. Yep, perfect. And now what I want you to do is I want you to go and ask get global pause to map pause. I need you to take in the global position. Okay. Var p equals this. Oh, oops. So my global position is just going to be equal to p, and no. Get underscore go. Oh, okay. Mouse position. That's the one I want. P. There we go. Now tech block pointer. Tech block pointer. It's going to be there. So now you should not work. Amazing. Oh, times tile size. Oh, times 32 basically. Local to map? Yeah. The local to map, yep. Yep, okay, perfect. Perfect. But it's kind of like offset. Or I need to offset it. Hello. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. That's why I am rushing. But hopefully I can get this done quickly enough. I actually don't know how many people are watching, so I'm sorry if I haven't said hello yet. YouTube's being a bit weird. Okay, so minus vector 2, 16 by 16. No, it would be I. Would it? No, it would be I. Well, I'm gonna force it into this. Isn't Trijam yet to start? Not to my knowledge. Submit your project. Oops. Submissions open from June 13th, 2025, 5 a.m. to June 16th. And to my knowledge, it is started. At least this is ticking. And I'm trying to actually get something in, hopefully. Okay, you don't like that. Vector 2i. Sure, let's do this. Oh, okay, perfect, but it's offsetted. I don't like that at all. That's pissing me off. Probably because I just have to do this. Okay, perfect. Now that works. Tech block pointer can place. Your visibility is going to be green. Yeah. I also just found out about it, and I didn't even know it was a thing until like today. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, Let's see. Yep, perfect. Now I can like place blocks and stuff. I was about to, okay, tech block. Now I need to pick a random, oops. I need to actually go here into tech block, and I need to say carve out box, and I need to, thank you. I honestly am only starting on a whim, and hopefully this game will be done on a whim. Okay, set starting position, carve out box, give box holes. Oh, okay, bet. Start now. If you're in the Discord, please do link your game. I'll try it out. The Trijam Discord. Okay. Block, starting pause. Cell type, starting pause. Okay, so I need you to return. Okay, because people are starting to tune in, I might start music, maybe not. Return, oops, I need to go over here to tilenet player. Oh, tech block, why do you have it? Okay, sure, thanks. Let's see, what do I want to do? I want to do starting position. So what looks like a starting position? I would say, that looks like a starting position, low-key. The hell was that noise? Okay. Let's see. Starting position. Any of these honestly look like oh, this one looks like a starting position. Starting. Oh, cog 4516. 4516. Return vector 2i. 45. Okay, so from my understanding, if I get any random cell, get starting position, maybe I do want to set it to -1, but let me see, get starting position. So basically, yeah, I really need to abstract this into a function, but who cares? Okay. Setting starting position. Starting position. Okay. So far, rand pause. Honestly, let's just do random. Or no, let's do this. Okay. For possible cells to place at. Our possible cells to place at is going to be an array, and it's basically going to be four cell in block cells. If cell.x is less than, let's just say like less than 5, leave less than 5. If it's less than 5, if cell is less than 5, what do I want to do? If it's less than 5, what do I want to do? Well, technically I would have to get half the thing, but whatever. Midpoint 0. And midpoint would actually just be, would it just be tile dot midpoint dot, it would just be plus equals tile.x from my understanding. No, it wouldn't. It would be cellpause.x. Hello. It would be cellpause.x midpoint, and then after that it would be midpoint divided equals by used cells dot length or dot size. Working on a game jam game, but I only have like 2.5 hours left because you only have 3 hours. Block cells. Cell.x less than midpoint. Okay, perfect. Possible cells to place at dot append cell, and then what I want to do is I want to do possible cells to place at shuffle, then var rand spot is going to be equal to possible cells to place at pick random, and then what I want to do is set cell rand spot dot x rand spot dot y, and I want to set it to, why are you yelling at me up here? You are going to be a vector 2i. You are going to be cell type dot starting pause. This should work. This should work. Yay, it worked. What the hell? Trying to assign nil to vector 2. C set starting position. How are you empty? Possible cells to place that dot shuffle. What was midpoint? Midpoint was 1. Is that an update? Midpoint was 1. How? Midpoint was 1. Midpoint was 1. Oh, I guess the midpoint would just be, it's going to be equal to midpoint, sorry, wrap this in parentheses, max of midpoint and tile cellpause.x, then divide it by 2. Perfect. That should be better. Okay. Yep, perfect. Okay, now we have a starting position, always outlined. And basically your job is to go between them. Okay, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Perfecto. And now I need to somehow, now I need to freaking, I need to see how the thingamajigger does. Ooh. Yeah, now I need to freaking find out. Okay, so give box holes. Oh my god, this is getting complicated. So now that I am giving the box holes, I have to say, if I'm giving the box holes, so box has holes, right? That's pretty obvious. Like in 30 minutes, I was able to set this up, which is not bad. Not bad in my opinion. But I do hate one thing, which is, shit. Well, I'd have to change the sprite, but whatever. I could scale. No, whatever. We'll keep it at 16 by 16 just to keep things simple. I do hate how it does this. So fill in walls. Let's do divided by like 2 times 3. That should be better. Nope, that's even worse. Divided by 3 times 2. There we go. Divided by 3 times 2. Okay. That's fine-ish, I guess. The idea is I want to connect from the starting cog and go boop, boop, and then there's your connection, right? Obviously, the longest connection is the best one. So it would be boop, boop. That would be extra points, whatever. Let's do... Issue is I don't know how to like ensure it's not connected. I guess this is ensuring it's not connected. Oh damn, the wrong way. Yeah, now you can ensure it's not connected ever, because it's just such a low probability of it being connected. But well, we're gonna work on it. Set starting position, and then the ending position. Just to make things easy, I'll always implement some sort of wall. Okay, so give box hole and then set ending position. Okay, and that set sound hole, boop, boop, boop. Okay, ending position. Why are you printing? What are you printing? Where is print? Print boxing of poles. You. Okay. Set ending position. Ending position. Use cells. Block cells. Midpoint. I guess what I want is. Okay, this is going to be so disgusting, but I'm doing air cells. Oh my god. Air cells are just going to be the blank cells. And oh no. Yeah. Okay, whatever. So fill in walls, carve out box. Carve out box makes sense if you apply air cells. So cell type air, okay? Air cells. Let me see. So if the cell type is air, then what I want to do is if the cell type is air, then return vector2i 0, 0, right? The reason why I'm doing this is because air cell will let me grab all the cells that are blank inside the box, if that makes sense. Air cells, okay. So fill in walls, just give everything the type of wall. And then carve out box means give everything type of, no, give everything type of block. Is that what I want? Give everything, no, give everything type of, yeah. Give everything a block. Then I want you to set the starting position. Okay, and then you set the starting position, and then you're gonna look through and you're gonna find the air cells. Air cells. Air cells, yep, perfect. And once you find all the air cells, once you find all the air cells, basically convert them to blanks. Nope, I'm messing up here. I'm messing up. Oh no, you find the block cells. You find the block cells and you set them to air cells. Okay. Okay, perfect. This should be the exact same effect. At the moment you don't run. But yeah, same effect. And then let's just do and then what I want to do is tech block. I want you to do function underscore get type of cell from map pause. So map pause goes in here, vector2, return a vector2i, return tmap dot get cell tmap atlas chords. Come on, cooperate. Get cell atlas chords. Come on. Oh, you're not in tech block. Atlas chords of map pause. But what I want to do is I want to return. Ooh. I basically need the inversion of this. Can you invert this? Invert and pass in. Okay, I'm using ChatGPT just to invert it because I honestly cannot be bothered. This would be returning an int, by the way. Okay, sure. Chord to cell type. Sure, get cell type from chords. Yeah, honestly, that is exactly what I wanted. Damn. God damn. Global.techblock.chords, P. I guess you want to print P all the time. No. Oh, wait. Global pause to map pause, yeah. If chord and cell. No. Should get cell. Get cell type from map chords. Hello, map chords. Map pause. Vector2i. And I want to return an int. So get cell type from map chords. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, you're going to go to tmap. You're going to ask tmap get cell atlas chords at the map pause. I've got the atlas chords, so now I'm going to return get cell chords from type. Get cell type from chords. Oh, get cell type from chords, and then you're basically passing in this, so you get an int at the end, and that should work. Nope, you don't want to work. Oh, because I'm calling the wrong function. Get cell type from map chords. Map chords. I have no clue what the difference was there, but yep. Okay, now cool. 1, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. I don't really care if it says error, but actually I do care if it says error. So fill in walls, fills in walls. Carve out box, sets, okay, it gets all the walls, checks the neighbor, and sets everything to block. After setting everything to block, it says set starting position. So it gets everything that's a block, and it goes, hey, let me pick a random one. Starting pause. Is that a problem? No, it's not a problem. And then it does give box hole, so it goes through and looks for everything that is a block and sets a type of air. Yes, yes. Well, I guess if it sets it to type blank, that's fine too, from my understanding right now. Yeah, blank. That's fine. It's not a big difference. Air. Oh no, I'll just keep air just in case. I don't think I'll use it though. And then what I want to do is I want to get you cells, get block cells, midpoint for cell, tile, endpoint. Honestly, endpoint will just be endpoint. The max between endpoint and cell pause.x. If block cells, well, this is where it would be blank. If blank cells, yes. Okay, blank cell. Ooh, this is actually slowly starting to make my head hurt. But I don't care. Cell pause, blank, if block cells. Well, it wouldn't be. This is where I need it to be air. Yep. If it's air. So now it gets all the ones that are air, from my understanding. And if, okay, so basically I need you to, if it's greater than or equal to endpoint. If it's greater than or equal to endpoint just for safety, I'm going to make it endpoint equals 1. Endpoint. If cell.x is greater than or equal to endpoint, if cell.x is greater than or equal to endpoint, if cell.x is greater than or equal to endpoint, possible cells to place at, shuffle, ran cell, and end pause. Now I'm going to go back up here, set an end pause type, and I'm going to go down here. I'm going to say return cell type dot end pause. Return, and you're going to return 3913. Return vector 2i 3913. And I'm just going to go over here. I hate this so much. Okay, we're making progress. And pause. Okay. Yep, perfect. So now, oh my gosh, now the idea is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The longer your chain is, the better your score is. Nah. I don't know. Wait, let me just run through this like 1,000 times. It's kind of like a puzzle game. Using the least amount of your own stuff. Yeah. Doesn't seem like they'll ever be connected. Oh, that one time they were. I was checking the stream feedback to see if they were connected at one point. No. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to do tech block pointer if input, how much time have I spent? That is action just pressed. Okay. Project settings. Let's click. If it's left click, hello. If you just left clicked, then what I want to do is I want to set cell. Oops, I would have to go global.techBlock. Global.tech Oh wait, I want to do global dot try to set cell dot emit, and you're gonna emit your global position. Okay, so global, make this a signal. Try to set cell, and then tech block pointer. Oh, tech block. You're going to look at that, and you're gonna be like, should I allow this? Global dot tech block dot connect. Attempt to set cell with global pause. So that seems pretty self-explanatory. And what you're going to do is let me just do a real quick one here. Region map gen, and everything here is map gen related, and region. Boom. That should be pretty cool. Boom. Okay. Why are you screaming at me? Okay. Okay, so this takes in a global pause vector 2, and basically we're going to turn it into global map to map. Okay, global pause to map pause, and then with pointer. And what we're going to say is if get cell from chords. It's get cell type from map chords, var map chords. Get cell type from map chords. Get cell type from map chords. Okay, so that's gonna be this global pause to map pause. If get cell type to map chords is equal to cell type. Oops. Cell type dot blank. No, it's error because nothing has been. I guess I'd have to set it back to blank. Convert error to blank. Func. What was I doing? I was doing print woulda placed, or I guess I could just do set cell map chords dot x map chords dot y, and I'll do the cell type block. Mate, why are you not placing this? Oh, because this is not a real function yet. Yes, nice, good job, me. I don't know why it does that shit. One sec. BRB. Man, I had a lot of caffeine and my tummy started to hurt, but it doesn't matter. If air cells Okay, this should work. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, epic. Epic. Now I just need tech block to update itself. Sorry, I need tech block pointer to update itself. Basically, I need you to get to print. Okay. Var type I am on. Cell type I'm on. Honestly, I'm just going to steal you. Oh no, cell type I'm on. So match cell type I'm on, and if it's what do you call? If it's global dot tech block dot what the hell? Oops. If it's global dot tech block dot, I hate how you can never do that. Cell type dot air oh blank. If it's blank, then can place dot show no place dot hide, else opposite hide show if cell type I am on equal. What am I in? I'm exactly when I write. Oh my god, look at that. That is actually crazy. That's crazy. Boop, boop. I mean, you could place them out here, but who cares? Boop, boop. You're wasting it. Okay, perfect. Now I just have to, every single update, I need to make sure. Wait. Oh yeah, what I placed. Oh yeah, okay. Every single update, I need to like double check. Did this man, why did I say man? Did this person just place it on the right spot? Hi. What can I play that is no copyright sounds? Let's just search up stream music. Because now I need stream music. Chill stream music. That doesn't look like still stream music. Let's just play no copyright sounds because I don't want to deal with any type of YouTube issue. There we go. The classic. Oh my god, you can't hear it. There we go. Now I'm starting to go a little bit crazy because there's no music. I swear to God, that's a TikTok song, but whatever. Okay. Now I need to be like, yo. Oh yeah, double check. Okay. I don't want to do that. Okay, so I need to generate a star grid from map. Why did you unfold yourself, you piece of whatever? Okay, generate a star grid from map. And then there's update. Okay. It's our grid. Basically, I need you to start grid dot cell size equals vector 2 32 by 32. I know I need to do fill solid region, fill weight scale, get ID path, get point data. Set point solid. So what does this mean? Set point solid disables or enables the specified point for pathfinding. Useful for making an obstacle. By default, all points are enabled. Bet. By default, all points are enabled. So, oh, basically when I'm, oh, at the freaking end. I don't like that. Whatever. Ooh, I'm mixing it, but whatever. I don't like mixing it. A star grid, not cell size. Give me 1 sec. Why does it keep doing that? Oh. Hello. Okay, 1 minute, 1 hour. Basically, ASG dot set point solid vector to I. Frick, I forget how this works. There, it's true. I'm curious. Input. Hello. Use action just pressed. I need to right click. Hello. I need to right click. Right click. Wow, this is really pushing my limits a little bit, but it's fine. Var first click or second click? So var, or is it var first click point, var second click point, var point count? This is simple debug stuff, but 0 is a vector 2. Yeah, vector 2. What's that? Okay, so point count 1 if first point oh wait, what the? Okay, this makes sense to me. Wait, this makes sense. First point click, second point click. So like boom, 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 boom. What the hell? Oh, oops, plus equal 1 here. And this is equal to 0. The hell? Tech block, what's wrong with you? Oh. So it's like boop, 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 boop. Alright, mess it up. Boop. Okay. So it's like boop, 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 boop. So what I want to do is I want to a star grid dot get point path from get cell type, no, get map pause, global pause map pause. So it's first click point to second click point, allow partial paths. I don't know what that means. So it's like boop to boop, right? How about like boop to boop? Oh, it's getting it, but it's not printing it. Bar P and print P. Print P. Boop to boop. Oh, we stopped. Grid is not initialized. Are you freaking kidding me? So grid dot. How do I initialize you? How do I initialize you? Oh, region, that's also, okay. Bet. Rect from 0, 0 to, honestly, 17 by 17. Cell size is 32 by 32. Oh, okay, perfect. Don't know why it did it like that. And then low key, what I want you to do is I want you to .p set cell map pause, global pause and map pause. So point, what I want you to do is I want you to do map pause.x, map pause.y, and I want you to do cell type dot, let's just do starting pause because just why not. It's like boop to boop. Oh my god, oh my god. I just love the fact that this exists, like being able to go like boop to boop, like boop to boop. I guess that didn't really show, but like something like from here to here. Oh my god, like that is like AI, but not, it's not AI. Like boop, like all the way around. I don't like how it did the corners though. Let's change that. And the crazy part is changing it is as simple as ASG dot diagonal mode. Nope. Diagonal mode equal, and it automatically gives you, and it's like never diagonals. Okay, what about it? Never diagonals means boop to boop, like like it's so smart. Okay. Wait, oh my gosh, wait, does this work automatically or not? No, it has to update, okay. So basically, every time I click, every time it does this, it needs to do ASG.update. And it needs to ASG.update. It needs to do, what does it need to do? It needs to say ASG.set cell. ASG.set cell. Set point solid. ID of map pause. ID of map pause, man. Come on. Oh, come on, give it to me. Oh, just map pause? No, map chords, my man. False. So that would allow me, and this is the best part. So that allows me to go like this to this. Oh, oops. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Okay. It allows me to go from here to here, But now, theoretically, I should also be able to do this. Oh, okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay. Check for valid path. And front check for valid path. Var starting pause. Wait. Frick. Var a hello. Get starting and ending. Pause, map pause. Oh my gosh, this is the naming convention I'm using is actually giving me pain, but it's fine. This is temporary. It does not matter. Get starting and ending map pause. Array. Var a. Return a. So for cell in get tmap dot get you cells. If cell or get cell type. If get cell type from chords cell. If get cell type is equal to cell type dot starting plus a dot append cell. And oh shit, it has to be the beginning one. Okay, what I would do is okay, 0 equals cell, and same shit but 1 and the buzz. Return a. These are going to be vector 2. So then I'm going to do asg dot get point path from starting pause, ending pause, var point path, pp, print pp. Alright. So what the frick is wrong with you? Trying to find what? I guess it has to be a vector 2i 0. It's the laziest coding I've ever done in my life, but hello? Hello? It's not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Let me just. Maybe you're not giving me the right points. Yeah, you're not giving me the right points for sure, man. Get cell type from chords. What the hell does that mean? Get cell type from map chords. Are you kidding me? Wait, why is the song kind of a banger? It's called Shooting Stars by Arrow Chord. There. Boop. I basically need to say here for cell in tmap dot get you cells if cell dot if get cell type from map chords cell is equal to cell dot wall or cell types dot wall. If it's equal to wall, then what I want to do, set it to disabled, right? Because why would I ever want an enabled one? Wall. Oh my god, I'm mimicking this music. So set to solid. If it's solid, it's bad, right? Issue to update. Oh, oops. Yeah, okay. If pp get tree dot reload currency. Boop, 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 boop. Yo, what the hell? Boop. Oh my god. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Ah! One. Boop. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Boop, boop. Oh my god, this is actually crazy. I have the basis of the game right now. Ready? Watch. You find the shortest path between 2 points, and you don't want to click as much. Boop, 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 boop. Issues at regenerates map. Regen map. Yo, this is actually the unhealthiest coding practice I've ever done before. This is genuinely the most unhealthy coding practice ever. Like, what? This is what happens when you only have 3 hours to work on something. Tech block, assign L, boop. And then all I want to do, man, all I want to do is if pp this region map, and then L dot text is equal to hello, or if you, it's not even going to be equal to anything meaningful. It's just going to be a random float. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, it seems to carry over the random float. What? Oh my gosh. What? What? Okay. What happened here? What? See, that's what happened if I restart, but I need a score system. Var score. Or completed score. Let's just score. And then it would be score plus equal 1. Wow, I really ended up doing the more logical thing, which is, you know, have a score, buddy. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Why does it do that? What? 8. This is really fun. What's the theme again? The theme is Trijam. Decommission tech. Fixed technology, I guess. Fixed tech. I know there's a glitch that you can do, which is font sizes increase and you scale it down. It's like higher quality. It's like cheaper way to do it, higher quality. Wait, at the moment, from what I remember is you can play shit outside. But you know, if you play stuff outside, you're wasting your own Ability. Why is it not clearing itself? Oh, I actually don't ask it to clear itself. Fill in walls. Oh my god. Clear map. Clear map much? Yo, this has to be Tobu. Oh my god, it's not Tobu, it's Electromania. What do I want to do if it's like this? 4 wine height, 4x in width? God damn. I want to do set cell, xy, type of sale, tap of sale, sale tap dot blank. So, what the hell? That's crazy. Yeah, if you check for valid path, right? Check for valid path, then regen map. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh yeah, regen map does it asynchronously. I guess what I could do is just regen map at the beginning. Regen map. Because this is all copy paste. Generate random map tech block. No, it's regen map. So you have to obviously asg.clear this stuff. Clear map. Can I not do an await? What is it? What is it to do? Wait, like 1 second in Godot, await. That. Damn it. This solves all problems. Boom. What? Oh. Damn it. Bro, what the hell? Oh my god, I love that. Oh my freaking god, that. So, at the moment, I'm struggling with this little system, right? And right now my game looks like this. Right now my game looks like this. You know, it's kind of broken, right? So I accidentally, or not accidentally, I purposely put in all these little lines. I'm like, you know what? Let me see what it looks like now. So let me just reset it real quick. Hello? Okay, let me just reset it real quick. It automatically has a built-in animation because everything takes like 0.1 seconds. What I can do is set ending position. I can make sure that ending position never has a thingamab up or around it. X in range of set cell. If it's not equal to wall. If it's not equal to wall. So even if it's 0.2, right? It shouldn't infinite loop. Where the hell are you? Oh, shit. Oh, give me a second. Pause. Not stop stream. How do I pause stream? Well, I guess I could just mute myself. Yep. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you want something from here?
Where's here?
Bal food?
No. Oh, you're at ball food?
Ah,
Damn.
ah,
It's 4 o'clock already.
yes.
What the hell?
What? Yeah. Do you want something?
Nope, I'm good. Thank you.
वो जो drink लगाई थी वो मैंगो वाला बेसल की अच्छी थी?
Yeah, it was really good.
Okay, it's here. I can bring it. Couple of it. Ooh, they have a chat puppy, 199. Oh my god. This guy is selling the darling product of Australia. $2.
How?
Oh my god, I don't know what the hell he's doing.
It was kind of weird.
Really annoying. Yeah. This, I have to come here. This is the
Your favorite store?
actually. Yeah. Not favorite, but like
Not my favorite store.
a couple of good things. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. ठीक है. Allah Hafiz.
Bye-bye. Okay. Okay, I am back. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. BRB. I am back. Thank God I didn't have anyone watching at that exact time. I was gone. No one was there. Perfect. Why are you erroring? Yo, why are you throwing an error? What the hell's wrong with you? There's only one place I say range. Oh, no, there's 2 places I say range. 3 places. I may have to end the stream soon. is that always? Yeah. Two? Why did two spawn? Yo. I hate how it's not doing its job properly. Clear map. Like, bro, do your job. Fill in walls. Like, fill in your walls. Carve out box. Sets everything to block. Set starting position. It might be the hole function. Give box holes. No, you only look for that. I thought 0.5 was pretty good. Yeah. Huh. Oh. When I start placing shit, why do you... Shit. Oh, it's not updating, I think. Maybe I should... What is this Justin Bieber ass song? Oh my gosh, I'm actually blanking out, man. I'm blanking out. I guess I could do a fix walls function, which I... Where to blank. Maybe we have to do tmap to update. Because it's only when you play the game that it messes up. And why do you spawn two? Like, hello? Hello? I definitely can tell that generate or setting the end position is not working properly. Hello. I can definitely tell setting ending position is not working well because it is not updating A star. Well, it should be setting to A star grid dot set point solid XY cell type. Oh, false. Wait. Vector 2i. False. Right? Set point solid. Hello, hello. Oh my god, lots of people. Set point solid. We're working on Trijam. Set point solid. Calling updates is not needed after calling call this function. But all points are enabled. So if I want to, all points are enabled by default, so I have to set it to false, which makes sense. The point of the game is you want to find, oh my god, it's not working properly. But you want to find the shortest path between these guys. Like, why does it not? It pisses me off. Okay, yeah. You want to find the shortest path between 2 points. So like boop, 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 boop. Nope. Maybe this one? I have no clue. See, I don't know how or why it works. That shouldn't have worked. Wait, instead of restarting, let's do this. Check for valid path. If there's a valid path, let's do this. Let's highlight valid path. And I want you to pass in point pp. 4 point in pp. Set cell. I don't know, like valid. Set cell valid. Set x point dot y. Cell type dot valid. Valid. Return. Now I have to go pick a new point in tech block. What's a valid point look like? A valid point kind of looks like, oh, that one looks nice. 418. Okay, vector 2i. 418. Shell type valid. Okay, so now it should highlight the path for me. If especially I have it set up. If I don't, I'm gonna lose it. Check for valid path. Right? Highlight valid path. Boom. Highlights it. Should work. Boop. Hello, you have to highlight valid path. You didn't do that. Check for valid path. Set cell point x. Oh shoot. Var map pause is going to be equal to map pause, global pause to map pause. So point. Okay, this should work here. Boop. Okay. Boop. Okay. Now I do want to try one thing, and I don't know how effective it's going to be, but if I just make you wait 0.5 seconds in between each loop, would you get mad at me? How? There's nothing there, man. Like, what? 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 That's not incorrect. That's incorrect. If it's true, I know that will not work, right? Oh, I had to set it to true. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I had to set it to true. Oh my god. I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose it. Highlight valid path. Set so. Okay, so after that's done, let's wait like let's say a full second, 1.0, and then get region map. This should be like the game loop, like boop boop, 1, 2, boop 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 boop, boop 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 boop. I do want to do this with sounds. What is the best path here? Low key, this is like the end of this block. Boop, 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 boop. That is so satisfying. Holy shit. Can I zoom in? Okay. The idea is boop, 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 boop. Yeah, see, now the map doesn't generate, and it makes me wanna. It makes me wanna. Boop. Yo, honestly, honestly, I think at this point the bug is there, and it's just making me think, yo, why don't I just keep it there? Like, why do I actually not just keep it there? It looks interesting. It looks like decommissioned technology. I don't know. Boop. Okay, so let me get bfxr.exe. Okay. Spotify. Shush. So, oh, I'm so sorry for who's listening. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Yo, lower your volume. Okay. So, ow. Yo. Oh. And no, I need something a lot less. Oh my god, no. This one. Wait. Yo, sustain time like 0. And decay time like nothing. Punch compression frequency lowers. Oh. This is perfect. Boop. I'm gonna name it Boop. Boop. .wav. Boop try. I'm gonna name it Boop try. Assets. File manager. Okay, so what I want to do. Do I have to end stream? Not yet. What I want to do is I want to say in tech block, I want an audio player, stream player, and I want to do boop. How long is it? 0.12 seconds. Damn, that's a bit of an issue. I wish editing audio was as easy as editing pictures. On pictures, you can just go in and change a pixel. Audio is like, you gotta open up an entire audio. Yo, Audacity, you never take this long. You gotta open up an entire audio system, etc. Like, can I not just cut you out? Like, yo, I can't hear it. Yo, am I deaf? Headphones, high definition audio. Really making me bust out the headphones for this one. Yo, now I can't hear anything. Okay. Now I'm Yo, okay, which one? Okay. I can't hear anything. What the hell? Yo, this does not count towards headphones. Okay. What the hell? Maybe it's because I have OBS open and it's preventing me from grabbing. I don't know, man. It's working here. Audacity. Okay, now you want to make noises. Yeah. I don't hear it in Audacity though. That's so strange. Playback device. Headphones. High definition audio output. Maybe it's too short for Audacity? No. Oh, damn it. But I just need to make the boop a little bit smaller. That's all I need to do. Where'd it go? Downloads. Close. There. Audacity. Get the hell out of here. Okay, let me try this. Because this makes sense to me. Personally. Oh, you don't save? Oh my. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Boop. Try. Wow. Export. Audio. Boop. Try. MP3. Sure. How come I can't see the audio file here? And then pitch scale. Okay. This should work. Ready? So boop. This is the boop, right? And like so it's like if I increase it by 1.05. 5. Okay. So what I want to do is highlight valid map. What I want to do is I want to do boop.play and then boop.pitch scale plus equals 0.05 And I'm gonna make this 0.8. Oh my god, no, 0.8, 0.08. Okay. This is gonna be the first time I've ever worked with audio in like a automated way. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. Holy shit. Okay, now it's just going up and up. Yo, okay, go back to 1. Go back to 1, so it sounds like a regular video game. It's not that hard. Come on now. Da. Yo. Oh. Bop. Gotta have a bop in there, you know, like a pop. I'm gonna add that. And your job is to like get the biggest track length you can. Yo, what was that? It just went out of the map. Okay, how about this? Debug filter. Oh, sharp corners. What I want to do is I want to do background color or clear color, I guess. Black. Okay, fixed. No, I need to do like, I don't know, like solder left. Solder left. And like you start off with 10. Where is it? 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 Yo, where is it? Oh my gosh, sorry, I didn't want to scream, but where the hell is it? Oh. Reduce amount. Okay, so 0.5. Honestly, starting at 0.6 is not bad. Maybe if you spawned in a little bit lower. Tech block. Okay, so 16 by 16 basically. What? Clear map. Oh, clear map. Oh, that's why it doesn't clear the entire map, because it actually doesn't go to the entire map. X plus 1, X plus 3, Y plus 3. Basically, I need to do var solder amount, I guess. Let's go ready. Solder use dot connect. Oh my god. Okay, how about this? Fixed technology solder left. I know it's called solder, but whatever. Okay. Yo Loki, I might even have these as their own thingamabobbers. Okay, you start off with 10 solder. Okay. Plus equal 1. Solder minus equal 1. Right. Use solder and a solder amount. So it's like okay, reduce solder. Okay, so solder amount. Oh no, let's put this into random scripts. Amount. Underscore ready. Global dot solder use dot connect. Update solder negatively. Shoot. I guess update solder in general. So solder text equal to solder remaining solder, and then there'd be plus string of global dot solder amount. Update solder negatively. Oh, update solder. Yo. That should work. That should work. Nope, because it's not actually emitting. Tech block pointer. So try to set cell fires, right? And then tech block says, hey, yo, let me check that out. Attempt to set with global pause. And if it is the type, if it's a blank, then you know, global dot emit, and no, global dot solder use dot emit, and then solder amount. I want you to handle using the audio player. So then what I want to do is I want to do like a, oh my god, that actually killed my ears. I am so sorry for whoever just joined. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Ow, I'm really, really sorry. Okay. Hit. Why do you have to go to max volume? Like, that is so stupid. I'm so sorry. I'm actually really sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Here, if I lower my desktop audio, your ears won't bleed, but mine will. There. Maybe if I just play a little bit. Okay. Ow, that really hurt my ears. Ow. I am literally just trying to find a goddamn sound effect. Oh, that one. Okay. Solder placed. Yo. Oh my god. Okay. It should look and sound good. Are you kidding me? Okay. That actually feels like a cute little retro game. I'm not even going to lie. Honestly, maybe just having the thing set at a fixed amount is more than enough. Like, from here to here is perfect. Don't randomize it. Fill in walls. Nah. Height, width, that's all you need, bro. Yeah, that should work. Yep, perfect. Alright, we can extend the height a little bit to 16, I guess. And then A star jut region. Honestly, let's just do 20 by 20. Because I honestly couldn't count. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Width? Oops, not width. 14. Height has to be 16. Width 14. You're just going to be 20 by 20 because I could not care less. Okay, no, you're too long now. Height 14. God damn it, 12. Okay, perfect. See, now your solder's at 1 and you're cooked. I'm not gonna lie, having worked on this for straight 2 hours is kind of boiling my brain, but it's like, yo, you could finish a game in 2 hours. Like, look at this. Like, I have a game, loads up, sound effects, a little nice flashy animation, clear game loop. What I want to do is, because I'm inspired by whatever, right. What I want to do is points earned, and what I want to do is Yo, this is disgusting, but whatever. Solder earned, basically. Each point that validates here is fixed. Points to add, and it's going to be like points to add +1, and then fixed tech, no, I guess points to add. Points to add. Points to add dot text is equal to string points to add. So basically it looks like this. Boop. I wanted to have like a boop noise at the end. Like bing. Yo, I couldn't have asked for a better noise. Okay. Ouch. 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 Wait. Boop. Nah. Yep. Finish path. Dot wav, obviously. You imbecile. Finish path dot wav. So basically, ooh, boop, and then there's gonna be finish path. Are you kidding me? Yo, lower your volume. Okay. Like the only thing saving this game right now is the fact that there's cute audio thingies. Yo, it's gotta wait for a sec. It's gotta wait for a second. Boop, 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 boop. No, it's gotta wait for like it's gotta wait for like 0.5 seconds. Nah, it's gotta wait for like 0.3 seconds, I guess. Yo, machines fixed. Decommission machines fixed. Decommission, what the hell is this? Trijam. Decommission tech fixed. Decommission tech fixed. Decommissioned. That's like fixed tech count or something. And it's like, yo, give solder, and then basically what I want to do is give solder dot emit or global dot give solder dot emit, and it's going to be points. It's going to be the floored version of points to add divided by 2. So emit, okay, and give solder. So give solder dot connect update solder. Yeah, basically, no. More solder. New amount int. So it's gonna be solder amount equals new amount. And then I also wanted to play some particle effects here. GPU particle. Texture, time collision, process materials. Process. Yo. Watch this. Gravity. Yup. Spawn. And velocity. Spread down. That sounded weird. Check this. Boom. Explosive. If I just increase the amount. Explosive up. Explosive down a bit. Angle randomize. U randomize. Or increase gravity. Oops. Yo, gravity. Stop being such a whippersnapper. Okay. Hey, yo. Oh, scale over velocity. What the hell? Nah, that looked bad. Boop. Right, ready? Yo, play. What is wrong with you? Oh, okay. Got scared there for a sec. Okay, solder GPU particles. Start emitting. Oop. So it's gonna be like boop, 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 boop. Oh, you're completely off. Are you kidding me? How did you completely miss that? It should be viewport, you know? Yo, why are you like? What is your issue? Oh, I'm the issue. Yo, I wasted solder. Yo, that connects. Oh. Okay, let's not have a sound that completely destroys my eardrums. I think SFXR is better. Yo, I don't know why that sounded so much better. Yo. Okay, so tech block, finish path better. Boom. Okay, so this should sound really good now. Boop, 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 boop. Yep, okay, cool. That sounds really nice. One thing I do want to do is, what do I want to do? I want to, God damn it, what did I want to do? I wanted to do, not sawtooth. It's not even that. It's this, the ugly placing sound. It should be select. Nah, that don't sound good. Sustain time down. Decay time down. Down. Oh, okay. I think that's fine for a clicking noise. So it's pretty good. Okay, export WAV. Solder placed. Solder placed.wav. Now what I want to do is solder place. Oh, solder place. Oh my god, you can see the frequency there. Oh my god, that's so much better. Machine's fixed, basically. Yo, I'm honestly gonna make the 3-hour time limit. Not bad, eh? Didn't think I could like do an entire game jam sitting. Score. What should it say? Fixed tech count. Should start off with 0. So boop, 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 boop. No, I placed it in the wrong spot. Okay. Alright, this is like the die screen. Label ran out of solder, so I should go ran out of solder. And there should be like a button that's like try again, bro. Honestly, we need to get some Kenny fonts up in here. Kenny. I know that's not how you spell it. Pixel Square. I know it's called Pixel Square. Yep, we're doing Pixel Square. Yo, low-key, I could make a theme. check for valid path, right? If pp else bit tree dot change the file by screen. So it's literally like, what? Oh, if, okay, if global dot solder, no. Frick, I have to. If it's less than or equal to 0. Yo, it works. It works. Boop, boop. Yo, this is kind of a hard game. I'm not gonna lie. This is low key hard. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, are you kidding me? I don't have enough solder for that. Boop. No, I lost. Boop, boop. Ran out of solder. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, okay. Boop, boop. Okay, okay. Boop, boop, boop. Yo, it's really hard to stay within the limit. Not gonna lie. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay, how do I do this? And does it work if it's bigger? Boop, 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 boop. Yo. Yay. Should add a high score. It feels no. No, I ran out of solder. I ran out of solder. Boom. Yo. Boom. Okay. Okay, we're making progress. This is not a bad game. Like, I feel like there's potential for this game. Except the current code base is worse than anything I've ever programmed in my life. Yo. Yo. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, I got solder back. I'm honestly super, like, it's crazy that I made this in 3 hours. Like, wow, I'm shocked. Okay, oh, okay. I gotta get this out. I gotta get this out. So I need to make a home screen. Home screen. I'm gonna call it decommissioned repair mechanic. Decommissioned tech repair. Label. Decommissioned. I really want to ask ChatGPT for ideas, but no, I'm not. So decommissioned tech repair mechanic. Repair mechanic. I'm just gonna double check that my spelling is right. Okay, nope, I am not spelling it right whatsoever. It is actually decommissioned repair. Okay, decommissioned tech repair. Okay, decommissioned technology repair mechanic simulator. Mechanic simulator 2099. Because what else do you do when you don't know how to name something? You call it 2099, obviously. Shit. Font sizes, font styles. Damn, that looks bold. Okay. Okay, I like that. I like that. I think I spelled everything right. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do I think I can make this in a few seconds, a few minutes. I'm gonna grab this, region enabled, sprite drag and drop over, region, grab region, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say for the, where the hell did it go? Yo, tech block. What was it? What was my game? I forgot it. Oh, this is the start and that's the end. Okay. Okay. You go at the back. You are a gear, which is found over here. That kind of rhymed, not gonna lie. Where's the gear? Where's the gear at? Yo, where is the gear? Oh, it was over here. Nah, it's not. Yo, this is wasting my time. Yo, this straight up be wasting my time. Oh, it's over here. And then region. Okay, so yo, let's just lock you. Okay, so boom, boom. Okay, so need another label. Unlock real quick. Start of circuit. Circuit. End of circuit. This is home screen. Screen, home screen. This is a wire. Wire. Wire block. Wire block. Fill wire. Fill wire block. Boom, boom. Hopefully this is like visibility 100. Green. Okay. The idea here is for the home screen, label 6. God damn. That's what it's come to. Mouse enter. Connect. Hover mouse. No. It's hover. No. Mouse over. And basically func underscore mouse over. Sprite dot show. And then same idea, mouse exit. Mouse leave. Yo, I'm almost at the 2-hour mark, not gonna lie. Hide. Hide. And then also, yo, low key. Finish plan better. Solder placed. Okay. Mouse in. Yo, I need a hover over type of animate type of noise. Yo, whatever. I don't really care. False. If input is actually just press left click. Audio stream player play. Oh, that means on start this has to be hidden. So yo, if I play this, hey, it's not working. Oh, because I think it's being overshadowed by everything else in the scene. Mouse ignore, yo. But this one does not mouse ignore. Mouse stop. Mouse propagate. Mouse stop. Okay, cool. This should work. Click to fill wire block. Boom. Okay, I got a functioning home screen. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then what I want to do is audio stream player dot finish dot connect, change scene to get tree dot change scene to file, game world, yes, no, yes, game world. So it should go from home screen. Try to circuit, wire block, and circuit. Oh, so yo, low-key, I put the tutorial into that. And now I need to be like, yo, your high score is. Current score, var high score, int. Yo, oh. Die screen, ran out of solder. Most fixed machines, machines you fixed. It pisses me off the other way around. Cool string global. Yo, wait, whoa, what? Yo. Current score isn't used by anyone. Oh. Basically when you die, it checks. Tech block pointer. Tech block. Check for valid path. Else, basically what I want you to do is global dot score, current score is equal to score, and then if global dot current score is greater than global dot high score, set it equal to each other. So let's say I have like 1. Ran out of stock. Are you kidding me? This didn't freaking okay. Machine is fixed. Like, why I should say, like, why I'd say that, you know? Oh, wait. Equals 0. So tech block. Check for valid path, right? If I do, go. Oh, I have to, oh wait. Because it probably doesn't set or something. Okay, this should work. Oh, do I have to stop streaming? I do have to stop streaming. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm gonna upload the game real quick. Probably in the link of this stream, you'll see it when I'm uploaded it. I have like 20, like I'm basically done. I'm basically done, as you can tell. Just need to double check that that shit works. And I'm good to go. So it should be 3 on the high score screen. Yep, okay. Most machines fixed. That shit needs to fix. Oh man, excuse the language, by the way. Oh my god, I see the issue.